Hi again, this is Bill and this is my cooking channel. Came up with an idea the other day because I was strolling through the grocery store. In the deli section they had these really cool sandwiches. They never seem to have them when I want one. And I thought, this is a great idea, great concept. There's a downfall. If you take it home and you don't eat it right away, how do you reheat it? Do you just dissect the whole thing and heat it up as needed? And I kind of played, I did buy one because I wanted to kind of see how they made it. What my grocery store is really good about is they make like the best chicken tenders. So I'm going to grab my chicken tenders. I've had them in the oven, 300 for 10 minutes. I beeped about 30 seconds ago. I was getting ready, so let me grab it for you. All right, nice and toasty. Okay. We got a little bacon here, because we all need bacon. I should set this back. Okay. Perfect. All right, so this is really simple, great. You can do it, you can kind of add and subtract as you want. But what I got here is I got a nice little Kaiser roll, fresh from the deli. I'm sorry, it's really not worth baking stuff like Kaiser rolls. It's a lot more effort than it is to just buy it. All right, oops, almost lost my bacon. All right, so the key to this is, I want to have the chicken on the bun here. So I'm going to take my smaller piece. This one is too big, so I'm going to cut a little off from it. Put this on here. Got my bacon. And I got my cheese. So what I want to do, I'm going to toss this in the microwave because I just want to soften that cheese up a little bit. It's fresh from the fridge, and I want it just a little bit warmed up. So let's give it a second. So I always say when you're using your microwave, all that cooks in the microwave is not on high. So use some of those other settings. I'm using like 40% because I don't want to kill everything. I don't want it too hot to eat. All right, we just want to kind of. That was 15 seconds. Let me go grab it. That roll is nice and warm. Oh, look at that! The cheese just started to melt. So you want to see a really cool trick? Watch me flip this upside down. Wow. Because I need to dress this up a little bit. Oops. So they make this really cool mayo mustard thing. Well, I wasn't going to sit here and mix up a bowl of mayo and mustard, right? So I just want to put a little mayo on here. You can use as much as you like. I got some great deli style mustard. Always have to be careful, sometimes that first shot is really wet. Ooh, yeah. Alright, so what do I got here? I got a little piece of green leaf lettuce. No iceberg, please. I've got some cut up onion. This is some sweet onion. This is, I think, medallion to be exact. I got a beautiful piece of tomato. And I got a pickle. So let me flip this all back together. And so if anyone thought this was something really difficult to make, I mean, come on. So I had to slice a little onion. I mean, what does this take? Now, let's just see how this thing looks. I'll find out where my chicken is. Cutting through the bacon. All the way through. This is a beautiful sandwich. I got same thing at the deli. The only thing I cheated on was obviously I didn't bake the rolls, sorry, forgive me, and I didn't make my own chicken strips. Because, you know, they do such an awesome job. They got these oil-filled pressure cookers, and they can just like zap these suckers and really, really makes them turn out just perfect. But take ideas like this, try them, come up with your own ideas, you know, walk around the store. Sometimes you look and you see they've got like pre-made meals and you think, how can I do that myself? Because let's stop putting all that junk food in our guts and let's try and eat a little healthier. And I like to go to the farmer's market, the produce stands, and support the locals. You should too. So let's have a great time, have fun in the kitchen. Nobody would not want to eat this sandwich, I guarantee you. And this is what it's all about, eating and having fun. So I really, really want you to subscribe, bing bing, ring that notification bell, and please comment. Tell me if you come up with an idea or you have an idea. I've got some things rolling around in my head from when I was a kid that we used to do, and I want to try and get them on paper so I can show you how to make them. So let's have a great time. See you later.